My name is Ryan McNeil, co-founder of California Bioenergy, the first company to focus the full power of biotech on beauty and skincare. California Bioenergy has discovered a new way for you to re-energize your skin and reverse the signs of aging. At the cellular level, dramatically transforming the look and feel of your skin. What is bioenergy? It's what powers the production of collagen, regeneration of cells and repair of the skin. It's the life force of your skin, energy your cells need to function. I am excited to introduce you to the first bioenergizing anti-wrinkle serum for women and men that increases bioenergy in aging skin cells. To reverse signs of aging, the perfect balance of biotech and beauty. What sets our anti-wrinkle serum apart? It is the first and only skincare product to use the power of bioenergy to delay visible skin aging and restore the youthful vitality you thought was long gone. The first real breakthrough in skincare at a price everyone can afford. Click the link in the description to try our anti-wrinkle serum risk-free.